We decided to conduct a social experiment. We will show how much you can earn by buying coins every week for $100. We will show everything live, how much we bought, what we bought, and why. These are just our actions and they should not be repeated. We take responsibility for our own actions. We will keep our public account until it reaches $100,000. Or for 1 year, whichever comes first. We will make all the numbers publicly available and broadcast them to you so you can see everything. You'll see a real-life example of how our funds either multiply or melt away before your eyes. If you're interested in this format, give this video a like, leave a comment, and be sure to subscribe. Because we'll be broadcasting all of this on a regular basis every week. Now let's move on to registering on the BingX exchange. All our actions will be carried out there. In addition to verification, we'll also go through the process of buying cryptocurrency with a card directly on the exchange. And we'll show you the entire process, demonstrating how easy and simple it is to buy cryptocurrency. Hello, my name is Evgenia, and you're on the RWB Group Investment Foundation channel. Right now, we're going to register on the BingX exchange, and after that, we'll be buying our crypto assets. Let's get started. We're registering on the BingX exchange. Enter your email, set a password. Here, it needs to be 8 to 30 characters, must include a number or a letter, and the partner code is already entered. Move the slider to fit the puzzle piece. Done, confirmed. Now, a code will be sent to our email and we'll enter it to continue registration. After registering, you'll need to complete KYC verification. KYC verification is the confirmation of your personal data, passport or driver's license. I think the exchange will request this from us. I consent to the processing of personal data. Now, we choose either an international passport or a driver's license, whichever is more convenient for you. All information in the photo must be visible and easily readable. It's important to upload a high-quality photo. Uploading a photo of the passport. Done, we've uploaded it. It's been accepted now. Click Continue. Find a well-lit place. Your face should be inside the frame. Remove any headwear, glasses or mask if you have them on. So we click Continue, Continue, Allow. Look at the center of the screen, more precisely at the center of the circle. Eyes straight into the camera. Turn to the right, turn down, and turn to the left. The data has been uploaded. That's it, verification is complete. The account is verified. Very quick, easy, and simple. The BingX exchange really works great, of course. And now we move to the section to buy cryptocurrency. Right now we can see that our balance is 0. And here we are going to buy 100 USDT. So we go to the Buy Cryptocurrency section. We select P2P. We choose what we want to buy. We want to buy USDT for hryvnia or rubles. Money, what currency do you have? Dollars, euros? We will be paying with the hryvnia card. For the payment method, we choose Monobank, for example, and confirm. We enter the amount. We want to buy $100, 100 USDT, which is about 4,300 hryvnias. So here we have sellers from whom we can buy at a rate of 4,267. We see that there are 22 trades here with 100% of transactions completed. Here, there are even more trades, 594, 391. Well, let's try the first one. Click Buy. We enter the amount for USDT again, 4,300 or even a little less, 4,267, so that it comes out to exactly 100 USDT. We select the payment method, Monobank, then click I confirm, I understand, and buy USDT. Now, an order has been created here. It's very important to send the payment only from your personal account. You can see here it says, "Greetings, we do not accept payments from third parties." Close this quickly. Some sellers require a receipt. It's mandatory. So we have the card number that was sent to us. We copy it and make the transfer. I've entered the card details. Here we can enter a message. I'm specifying the payment amount, 4,267 hryvnias. That's it, I've paid. Now it's absolutely necessary to send the receipt. But only click Paid after you have actually made the payment. Otherwise, your account will be frozen. I confirm that the payment has been made. Click Paid. Now just wait for the seller to transfer the cryptocurrency. Done. We have 100 USDT in our balance. Look, we have 100 USDT. Friends, subscribe to our channel, give us a thumbs up, and we'll keep broadcasting everything online. The road to $100,000 right here in real time. Thank you for watching this video until the end. Thank you for your attention. See you soon and goodbye in the next episodes. That's it. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Quick.